Hello everyone, it's Arslan here. Welcome to YouTube or Facebook Live. I'm just gonna wait. Give me a minute. Just skip the video if you're watching the replay for 1 minute and I'll be starting over. I just need some members to come live first. And yeah, in the meantime, I'm just gonna share the link of this live in my group and for the course members as well, the education group members. Alright, cool. Let me know guys if you can hear me. Everything is alright, good and go. Many of you may be watching the replay. Make sure to let me know what do you think and all that feedback. If you want to share anything based on what I shared, if you have any opinion or suggestion about for me, feel free to do in comment section. Alright, so yeah, I'll start in a minute. We have some members. As it's weekend, most of you guys already at home chilling. Yeah, I'm here to disturb you a little bit, but anyways, I'm going to share some good stuff, so don't worry. Alright, so yeah, we have only one on YouTube. So it's been 2 minutes I was live. So guys, here's the chart, the basic chart. As you know, I've been doing analysis on this chart, my old chart. Like, I love mess here, so I wanted to go on clear chart, much clear chart. That it was a new one, Bitstamp. I'm using a Bitstamp for today's example. We'll just go over with our old chart. If you know about this example, that I've been looking for this since this chart is drawn from long time now, a few weeks now. First we broke this flag, then this flag, and then we broke out the channel, and then we had a failing rising wedge. We broke down as well. So this retracement, if you see on fib level from here to there, this is 618, a major fib level. Okay, we held 2 days above this, so we closed above that for 2 days now, and market tested today again 618 by pulling back up again. And there's more interesting stuff other than just this. We do market did get some resistance at this area. If you see, 1 second, there's so much mess that if you see right at this bottom of this, we got some resistance, market pulled back, but our thing, there is a still strength. We're gonna break this, but there's a one thing you need to know. I've been saying 6450 is a major level for us, because market broke held 5 days up there and it broke hard. Okay, if there's a strong support or resistance, market will break it hard as well. Right? Any resistance or support, it will break hard. Just because it's a very strong one, it needs to break hard. It needs a big push below that of its resistance. There will be so many buy orders above that, so it will go high if it breaks the resistance. If it breaks support, it will dump harder. So as well, swing April Fool. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin. Okay, that's what I want to see. Overall, 1000 is a major. I was creating a thumbnail and said, and also clean chart, and so there are a few stuff that I need to look for, you know. Many of you may not know this yet. I haven't seen any chart or anyone talking about this yet. Okay, we have a possible ascending triangle here. Okay, what I'm expecting right now from market is to do something like this. Let me grab the pen. To do something like this, it go up, retest, and come down, and from here break out. I wanted to give it time here so people can buy, whoever wants to buy, and show us the strength. I'll show you one example as well, similar pattern, and give us a big move. It was Ethereum, if you know, I will show you example as well. My paid member know already because I did a video on ascending triangles, and Ethereum was the example of the video I did in the course, and they know already. And this is going to be a very strong move for Bitcoin. Okay, if we follow exactly like this is going to be a very strong move. But right now, as we held 2 days above this, okay, and market shown that okay, 1 and 2, and market shown us that this is a bit strong level. Okay, if we keep holding this, if we get one push up and then down, this is gonna be very good level to see, because this is the 10th. Here we get 10th ETF news here, 10th August, and we can break before that, or we can probably we're gonna break it. Okay, there's a high chance that I'm expecting we're gonna break here even before the 10, because the FOMO is gonna be there, and that's why I'm expecting a break based on the news. Okay, based on the news, because I've seen so many positivity. Everyone thinks that it's gonna dump. It's gonna be approved. And based on that hype, I'm expecting this break, but still I'm looking for this level, all right, 7,800. My eyes on 7,800, and this as well. So 8,000 overall, 7,800 to 8,000. Same here, 6,800 to 7,100. I'm looking for this and this one, this level and this level. So overall, the whole zone, for me, the whole zone matters. So same here, the whole zone. Okay, 7,800 to 8,000. I'm looking for these levels. If we break this, there will be small a pullback. I will enter some money there, my fresh buying, and if we break that, fresh buying here as well. So I will have my own strategy placed. So you need to have your own strategy, how you gonna do things. I was thinking yesterday to enter here on these pullbacks, but I was going to use my margin trading here. But what happened is, unfortunately, my broker, forex broker, where I entered trade at 6,200, and when I clicked place and I saw the time, the market is closed, forex market is closed, and I said, snipe, I can't do it. So yeah, here's the story. I couldn't do it. 6,200, that's what I was looking for, because the stop loss is pretty small, you know. Stop loss is very small, and the potential of the gain is pretty high, and market can always retest around 60. Probably is minimum that is gonna retest is this level, and I was still gonna make some money, decent money here, and yeah, but it didn't work. So end of the day, let's remove this drawing. That's what I'm expecting. We have a kind of ascending triangle. We had one test, second test, and the third test. If we go for the third test and make a higher low, remember, we need higher lows. Each time we go up, we need a higher low, and then we can break anytime, but it all matters that we're gonna break up. That's what I'm looking for. If we break this trend line down, then you know we're going down. So there's nothing else to share about, you know. We can always get a leg down like this, a fake out, but recover and make a bullish candle like this, and that's a huge candle to probably give us a test of this zone. But the thing is, it's hard to see this. Okay, I don't want to see any close below this line anymore. Below this is a danger sign that we're probably gonna go down, because even though we close down, we're gonna retest again and then down, and this is no stop anymore. Okay, we won't stop on 5,500, because market already gave us 3 tests in the past. It gave us a lot of tests of these levels, and is getting riskier. So no, just hope we don't get this anymore. Okay, just hope for it that we don't get any below. We won't go below 6. If we do, then honestly that's gonna show a lot of weakness in bulls, and this can lead Bitcoin to go there can be any bottom after that. Okay, if we don't hold this for now, 5k probably gonna stop it a little bit, but I don't think so it's gonna be a major level, because market made gonna make 5,800 to 6,000 a very strong zone. Okay, a very strong zone to break. And 5k to 6k is gonna bounce whatever it does, but won't cross it easily. It's gonna be very strong zone for Bitcoin if we break below 5,800 again. So hope it doesn't, and that's what I'm looking for ascending triangle break. And based on the news, I'm probably thinking it's gonna do that, but who knows for sure. We have a inside bar. Yesterday, you guys know I've been talking about inside bars. We have an inside bar here. This bar is inside bar, this one, yesterday one, and we're creating one more. If we break this, if we break what level is it? 1 second, let me see. We have inside bar and looking for that break. 1 second. So what level is it? 6350 to 6, basically 6400 to 6450 is the level that I'm looking for. If we close above that, we're gonna retest probably 6800 again, a high chance of a retest. If you see, we've been retesting 6800 a lot, and it couldn't break. So right now, let's see what happens. 6400 cross, 6400 to 6450. If we close above it today, we're gonna probably have a tomorrow inside bar or a small candle or whatever candle we're gonna have, depends. And we're gonna see a probably retest again at this level. If we do, it's gonna show us that a market does have some strength. It wants to go up, and then I want to see a lower high, a high lows. As long as we're making high lows, we are fine. But what I'm going to look for is, if we manage to do that, if we manage to come here and break up, I'm gonna try to get a breakout entry, or I'm gonna wait for a pullback. It depends on that moment. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that moment. I don't trade based on speculations or like random stuff. I'll wait for that moment to see what market is gonna give me. Okay, you can't just trade saying, okay, if it breaks out, it can be fake out as well. So why would I take a random risk and speculate this is what's gonna happen? This is just, yeah, I am speculating that is what's gonna happen. We're gonna go up, down, and then up. This is just speculation. It does not mean it will happen, but based on the past history I've seen in the market happening, that's what I have seen been happening a lot. And market gave me a clue last night that market has been respecting this level, did respect this level, this trend line, and it may do it again. If we break this, this is gonna show this trend line have strength, but for now this is set trend line now. And now based on this, we can take some trade entries here, set stop loss down there. If you wanna take a risk, if you're a risk taker, if you're looking for a bottom buy, this is a risky. We're still in bearish trend until we don't break 7k and 8k. I will still stay in like a major bearish trend. Okay, for now that's fine. We can always go up here and break down, or what we can do is always go up, break out, and the news comes that ETF is not approved. If there's so many buyers that are buying based on ETF, if it doesn't approve, they will sell, and there will be FOMO. Remember, FOMO buyers are the panic sellers, so remember that always. Okay, Sanjay, I have a free Facebook education live. I explain about trend lines, support and resistance zones. Alright, if you go to my Facebook profile or inbox me on Facebook, I will give you the link of that live. You will understand how the support and resistance works, and how to recognize the perfect ones, and that really give you best results. All right, people really like that video. Okay, the live I did, I got a lot of feedback that people really loved it because they learned a lot of new things from it. But what I was going to do is look at my mobile and your comments, because I haven't seen your comments. Give me a second. All right, and go please. I don't do forex, like I don't do forex lives. I do on my own. I check forex videos, charts, trade, but not much. I haven't been trading much. I've been basically giving rest. I've been other stuffs. 1 second. Let me go to the comments and we'll do alt score analysis. Thank you very much. What are you expecting, bro? I already said what I'm expecting. Alright. I haven't seen many comments. Come on, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. In simple word, what I'm expecting right now, this is something a good sign to me, because mostly what I see is if we retest again and make a higher low, what I need is higher low. I want one more higher low, and mostly what I've seen is after the third one, market do break out. After the third one, okay, if we go up again, a retest, we make it give, like if market give us a strong signal here, a strong candle holding here, then there is a sign that we're gonna break out. Okay, it all depends what's gonna happen then, and not now. Okay, market technical analysis is not something that tells us future. Understand this. I've been saying all my videos, it does not tell us the future. It just gives us a probability. That's what's possible to happen in coming future based on the past history. Alright, this is all I'm saying based on what I've seen in the past, what market normally does. Okay, we can always see here, or what we can see is a market going up here and then boom. That's a possibility too. Alright, I wouldn't say that won't happen, that can't happen. That can happen, because 64.50 is a major level for us still. For me it is, if not for you, but we're still in a bearish, overall we are in the bearish trend. But this is going to give enough time to market go in accumulation phase. And big guys, we have been below this, and there has been a lot of accumulation going on, and people still getting time to accumulate offline or online. And this is gonna be, give me a minute, let me see how long this will last. Time range, give me a second. Data range. Okay, so if we say from here to there, that's like 60 days, 50 days accumulation. That's decent. Honestly, that's decent. That's not a lot, but that's decent. If we stay here, the more we stay in the range, the bigger the breakout will be, the harder the breakout will be. Awesome if we stay here for long enough. If we just break, for example, if we go up now and break, that won't be a successful, that won't be a powerful breakout. I want to see a market going in the range like this. Okay, the more it stays in the range, the bigger breakout will be and the stronger. And that's what gives bulls most how we say it, more confidence to get entry. And then we're gonna see a big moves, because this will be a strong zone after a breakout. This will be our major support for future. This will be our major support for future if we stay in the range and break out. And even the market test here, it can come here, like I'll give us a fake out, but end of the day, that's what I'm looking for. Market to, the more it stays here after breakout, the best it will be. All right. No, why would it go 60,000? I don't understand. I've seen so many videos, guys. This is so stupid. It's not even broke the all-time high. How people can say it will go to 60,000 by end of 2018? Just tell me, does it make sense? Is there any logic behind that? No, it does not make sense. Where the own money gonna come from? It haven't come yet. Well, yeah, I know it can. It's nothing is impossible here, but the thing is, we haven't seen even all-time high yet. It does not make sense. It's not logical stuff. Like so many headlines, videos, I see so many people talking about 50,000, 60,000, 65,000. Just based those CEOs, that a Bitstamp CEO is not a tech, like he's just speculating. End of the day, he's just speculating, because based on that, his business grows. People talk about him. Everyone is sharing BitMEX's name, and that's why they use this is a tool for them as a marketing. No one knew who the heck BitMEX owner is, CEO is, and now everyone is finding out who the hell that person is. If they're saying it does not mean it will happen, those guys are they're running a business. They are not a trader, in my opinion. Not a trader, yeah. And no trader knows these things, man. What you don't understand? No trader in the world can confirm you the Bitcoin target. They are just speculating. Why some experts say 20,000, 25,000, someone says 500,000, someone says 1 million. So everyone have their different shit to say, like, how it makes sense, tell me. People believe who says the big number, not who says the small one. They're playing with your mind, end of the day, full stop. They're playing with your mind, that's it. They want you to hold or buy more and for more. That's all they want. Of course, the thing is, it's all about hype. This market is all based on hype. And if the big money comes in, yeah, it happen. It will happen. Faisal, 60k maybe. But the thing is, we need to break 20k first. Then we will see what's next. Until we don't break 20k, we can't say anything yet. Okay? So wait for 20k break. Then we will decide what's coming next. It's not about never, it will go at some point, but it takes time. If you go in past history, Bitcoin can't go with big move like this. It can't just make big candles right now. It's in a bearish trend. Remember that. It needs to go slow. Alright? Slow and steady move. A steady moves, like, and then a breakout, a pullback, healthy. We need a healthy trend, not something a crazy move right now. A crazy move will make it dump crazy as well. Simple words. Right? We need a healthy move going up, and volume, bull volume keep going up as well, not just a volume that going down and the move up like we've seen in the past. Move up, volume down. Move up, volume down. Is that healthy? No, it's not. Alright? Let me give you an example. I can't even think of an example. Like, screw it. So yeah. Alright guys, let's come to the coins. So that's what I'm looking for. Break up this. Alright, break up this, and then 10k finally. Something like this, but it won't happen quickly. I'm so sure that it won't happen that easily. Alright, it will take time. Things do take time. So these are our levels that I'm looking for, because this has been a very strong zone. If you see, 8k is being a strong shit. Like, it's been a very strong 7800 to 8k is been a very strong zone, and market been reacting a lot there, and that won't be easy to break. Even though 6800 7k it's been struggling a lot. So we have a lot of things going on here, and that won't be easy to break. If you see, we have a lot of past history based on this, and that zone is very strong as well itself. Oh my god, I see this so many times. This comment, Bitcoin went to 20k in 5 weeks. It won't happen again. That was a bull days. Everyone thinks Bitcoin only will go up, and now they experienced it will go down as well. The sentiments changed, the mind changed. Things won't be same. It does not happen anymore. It won't happen anymore. People are so scared to buy. Who will buy above 20k now? But at first people will try to sell 15-20k as much as they can, the more they can. It won't cross 20k easily. Think before thinking, like before sharing targets or some stupid numbers in your mind. Just think, what if you have a lot of buying at 20k, you loan the money like from 15-20k, will you not sell and give money back to person who you borrowed? There will be huge selling, there will be huge stuff going on. It won't be easy anymore crossing 20k. It won't be easy. Everyone that bought, they try to sell, they try to book their profits first. If ETF doesn't approve, there is no hope for Bitcoin. Like it will make it worse. Honestly, this ETF can make Bitcoin worse if it doesn't approve. We can see a 3,500 level. That's what I'm looking for. But that ETF will make that very possible, in my opinion, if it doesn't approve. What I'm expecting is, if we don't cross 8,000 by ETF, if we don't cross 8,000 by ETF news 10 August, we're probably gonna boom down. Like in few days we're gonna come down back to test this level. Market will try hard to hold this level, even though if we break out, like there's so many possibilities that's gonna happen. But guys, this is gonna be hard if it doesn't approve. People that are buying in FOMO, they will do panic selling. All right, Malik, what's up, man? Mr. Julian Bosch, have your beer, brother. All right, was logical with Bitcoin. Everything is possible. No, it wasn't like no one knew it will go to 20k. Of course not. No one thought about that. I was thinking for 10k will be the tougher now and all that. But it went up to 20k because of the headlines. Alright, every headline, TV channel, everyone's talking about it, because the thing is, everyone thought it's bullish, only bullish. But now it's different thing. Right, it is, everything is possible. This is different thing. Sentiments change a lot, and minds of people that now see that there will be a bear trend as well, not just bullish, and they will always wait for a pullback. They will not rush too much. Of course, there will be dumb money always. It will be not be in this bear market. It will not help in this bear market. No, you're wrong. ETF can help. It's not like if you get approved, it can change the trend. But one more thing, keep in mind, news only change the trend temporarily. Sometimes there's some news, they can only pump the coin if it's in bear market to retest the resistance, a major resistance, and then it will come back. I've seen many of those. All right, I will do some altcoin and then Hindi Urdu at the end, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever I have to share. And yeah, that's it. OP Invest, the thing is, no one really knows where we're going, but 3,500 is a possible level. If we break 5,500, that's a first weekly support, and then 5k. So 5k to 5,500 break. If we close below 5k, then I'm looking for 3,500. If we close daily candle below 5k, I'm looking for 3,500. Otherwise, I'm not looking for below 5k for now. But remember, 5,800 to 6k is our major support right now. If we break that, that will become a major resistance, and that's gonna be major resistance for us. And below that, it won't be easy. There will be full on bearish trend and bearish sentiment, and it won't stop easily. All right, let's go with the altcoin. For now, if you see, market is trying to do some stuff. Bull volume is getting lower. That's the problem. Look how the market is rejecting these levels. You see, I've been saying the market has been rejecting. It's keep rejecting these levels. It's keep getting strength here, even though sellers keep rejecting this level. This is our, as long as below this is still in low time frame bear market, but keep making higher lows. So hopefully, if we cross this, market will go up here, retest, and then retest this level. If we break that, and then something like this, it will keep going like this. But the thing is, there isn't much volume, and it's not fun trading Bitcoin doing that. If there was a good volume, I would be trading these small moves, but there is no fun trading it. So much. Look these candles. I hate these type of moves, man. It just sucks sometimes. It comes and dumps. goes up and dumps, goes up and dumps. Look at this, bigger dump after some. So it's not like something I really wanna do it. I prefer to go in forex rather than trying to find entries here. The thing is, in crypto, there's one thing sucks is everything goes based on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin doesn't have good pattern or something to trade, we won't see much on alts either. And there's so much panic selling this market, so much panic selling, and that pissed me off and hits my stop losses a lot. So I said nah. This is a potential level we can break. So it's a bit down wrong, so it will be probably here. So if we break that and then come here and then retest something like this, okay, that's what I'm expecting. We have a small thingy going on here. Let me draw a proper line. We're going here probably if we break up from here. But the thing is, you need to understand, keep thing in mind is not just this break. It needs to break at least a minimum this and this one if you want to see a bigger levels. If you want to go in this zone, if you want to 6700 probably is gonna test that, because this is a pretty strong zone. The whole thing is anything can happen here. We can get a fake out around this zone. This is the whole zone where the market can go up and retest between 6700 to 6800, and after this break we may see a retest of this, and yeah, then something else will come up. Let's go with alts. Alright guys, 3 alts from Facebook and 2 from YouTube. You want BCH again, so let me do ETC. Damn, that's a big fake out, guys. Big fake out. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see what happening. What is happening, boys? As far as I remember, last time when I was doing it, I saw this market here, and I said as long as it doesn't break this, as long as I'm not really sure. I don't really remember. Now I do, because based on I was on 4 hours. That's what I thought, and so many days ago. Now it wasn't so many. It's been few days. So this is what happened. Is after this break, I think we were getting this move up, and I don't really remember what happened. But this is a major shit. Like it is not good. It's rejecting so bad. But this is our high low. If we break this, then probably market gonna retest this level. Okay, so keep an eye on that. This is our major level now. If market breaks that, then probably gonna go high, but if it doesn't, it's gonna stay in range. Okay, even though market stays in range here, then it will break. This is another story. For now, it's no trade zone. Alright, you understand? No trade zone. There's no trading that can happen here other than going short. We can't go short in crypto like in normal exchanges. But for now, it's no trade zone. Alright, I will stay out of ETC for now. It's not something I really wanna trade because it doesn't look good. The way it closed yesterday, it doesn't look good. Yeah, this is a huge rejection candle. It closed below the zone. Okay, this has been my this is kind of just a fake out. Honestly, this just looks a fake out. But yeah, let's see what happens. ETF. Okay, ADA. Let me do BCH, then we'll go to ADA. Oh my god, that spike on BCH, buying spike here, that looks nasty. I think that happened with Bitcoin when Bitcoin did a big move on 4 hour candle just before 2 hours closed. I think that's what happened. For now, this is your major level to look for. 0.09 based on BTC value. Okay, 0.09 based on BTC value. That's you need to look for this level. If we break this is this is a major support level for you. If you get sorry, we are in yeah, we are in Coinbase. So this is your major zone, this one, 0.09 in BTC value. Look for that. If it breaks that, then probably it's gonna go much lower. For now it's getting some support at this area, but it's nothing major here. The thing is, it's the whole BCH, LTC, Ethereum are moving based on what Bitcoin is doing, right? I don't know why, but from few weeks, months, they've been following Bitcoin, and this is just frustrating. As I said before, I can't trade anything just because everything moves on Bitcoin, based on Bitcoin. So for now, there's nothing much to say, honestly. Is getting some support here. The selling is getting much weaker. If you see selling the volume is getting much weaker, selling volume, and probably can always go up. But the thing is, this is your first resistance level. If it breaks this, close above it, and then probably it's going to test the next one. The next major one is this one. All right, after this break, you can see a small trade, and there is a minor one here as well, 135. It's gonna test this minus 135, and the small trades you can get here always. So this is what I'm looking for. You need to get this break, 125, 0.125, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, well, what's the never mind, I need to go, thanks. Please, RD will add on. No, the thing is, they won't add on Coinbase. They're just testing it. They said on they tweeted later on, they're saying that they won't going to they're not going to add it. They're just testing them, right, for now, and they're not sure even they're gonna add which one they're gonna add. So they will be adding some, but you never know. This is like a gamble right now. No one knows what they're going to add, really. Alright, ADA is still there, right? The one I've been talking about is the old chart that we had. Alright, so you see, this is our zone that is keep getting rejected from there. It's keep rejecting this level because last time I said as well, this is our first resistance. Market rejected here, 3 rejection candles, daily rejection candles, then went down, and now it got some support here, and now it's coming up still in bearish until it doesn't break this, doesn't break 2400. Clearly we won't see a big move in ADA for now, and the next level after that is 2700, and then a 3k itself. So 2700 and 3k next level after 2500 break. That's what you need to look for. For now it's still in bearish trend, but it's aggressive entry end of the day. If you want to be aggressive, take a risk taker, you can always enter, but this is not what I look for normally. QKC. All right, QKC. It doesn't have much history though. The volume is getting lower, coming down. The volume is lower from by selling. Selling volume is low. It can always break again. It's making a kind of flag pattern as failing wedge. Can always break it. It can always break up again. So keep that in mind. All right. I'm not saying it will 100% do that, but it can always do that. Keep that in mind. It's making a failing wedge, so it can always break it. Always happen. It can happen. But now, if it breaks up, you're looking for target roughly based on this. Let's look for targets. If it breaks up, you can roughly look for this much. This is our first resistance, a big one. After that, so you can look for healthy 30%, roughly 30-40%, I guess. After this break, if you get a clear break, this is your first resistance, 1250 is your first one, and then the second one. You can always take some profit on one, and then the second one. This is your first one and the second one. You can always wait for the break and retest and take into here and then run for that. That's the safer one. But if you want to make a big money, risk is kind of, you can always set stop loss down here and buy here and ride it. If it breaks, if it doesn't, don't blame me. I'm not saying 100% it will break up, because the market sentiments aren't really bullish. The thing is, selling is not huge, so buyers can always jump in. So that's the thing. I don't know about this coin fundamentally or anything like that. Yeah, that's it, guys. For this, let me just take one more coin from Facebook and we'll wrap it up. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna approve. I have no idea. I would not speculate and give you guys any hope based on I don't know anything. Okay, I don't want to be kind of person give you a lot of hope, dreams, and then they all fail. Right? I'm not that kind of person. I will say we both gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. The thing is, they won't what I think is they won't deny it, or they won't say yes. They will make delayed. They have time. It's not fixed that they will say for sure at 10 August, like confirm it. It's confirmed. I think they can delay it. I read somewhere, someone commented saying they can always delay it because they don't have to really confirm on 10th, and after that I'm expecting a dump because people that bought and they may dump it. 1 second, let me just read some comments. Alright, there's so many coins, guys. I won't be able to do all of them. I can't even see the previous chat, man. Come on. Sorry, guys, I can't see the previous chat. I'll do SE and that's it. That's the last one I'll do. SE holding well for now. But it's keep making higher low. That's the problem, guys. That is the problem. But you have a decent support here at this area. But the thing is, it just can't break up. It's keep making lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, minus lower highs, and it just can't break up. This is your major resistance for now. So what is in numbers? Alright, around 180, that's what you're looking for. Above 180 you get some hope of this, but otherwise is in ranging market. That's a very good thing, isn't it? The more stays in ranging market, the breakout will be better and bigger, right? That is what we can expect from this. Let's go on daily. This is the level you need to look for. If it breaks this, that's a big bread of luck for you. 120 is a major one for you. I've been saying if we break this, we're gonna, last time when I said this, I was talking about this level as well. So I said about if we break 155, I still remember, if said 155 to 150 break will lead you to 120. So yeah, the same thing again. There's nothing changed for now. Yeah, that's it. I will just go in Hindi Urdu 5-10 minutes and then I will talk to you guys later. Simon, Bitcoin will boom very soon. I hope, really hope it will, because if you just joined, check out this. What I was sharing. The guys who just joining can rewatch always the last few minutes, the first few minutes I've been saying about what I'm looking for in the market. I'm looking for, this is ascending triangle, forget the small one. This is ascending triangle that Bitcoin is forming right now, and I'm looking for this break, the breakout here, a 7,000, 7,100, probably this zone. I'm looking for a clear break, a strong break, and the more it stays in this range, the better it will be for long term. So a break and then a break of 78 to 100 to 8,000, that's a major one, and this is a ultimate one, 10,000 and the 12,000, and that's how we're gonna go, and then we're looking for 16 to 17,000 and then 20,000. This is gonna be hard times for Bitcoin, but after that is gonna, the sentiments will change at first. Alright, after 10k 20 12k break, sentiments will change. So I'm expecting right now a Bitcoin to break and like slowly, like the same thing happened in the past, but this is gonna be a much quicker move. That's what I'm expecting. What I'm expecting is it to break slowly, like break slowly, extend it as much as you can, because it means slow. I don't want to see a break like this. This is nothing. This isn't strong long term. You see what happened here? A strong one, then the strong drop. I don't want to see that. I want a slow, steady move. That's what I want in Bitcoin. Right? Slow, steady move, going healthy. Best for long term. But for now, if you want to take entry, it's a risky entry, but if you're a risk taker, it's worth it. You can always take a bit safer entry after 7k break, or you can take entry here, a lower entry. Alright, so thank you very much guys for joining this live, and I'll see you in the next live. Bye, have a good day. ठीक है दोस्तों, मैं आता हूँ अभी उर्दू हिंदी में, क्विकली आपको बताता हूँ कि बिटकॉइन के साथ क्या हो रहा है। ठीक है, बिटकॉइन के साथ ये हो रहा है कि बिटकॉइन जो है अभी एक सेंडिंग ट्रायंगल बना रहा है। ठीक है, सेंडिंग ट्रायंगल बना रहा है। हमारे पास ये स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस आपने देखा है 6800 से काफ़ी बार रिजेक्शन हो चुकी है और वापस आया है 6170 टेस्ट कर चुका है। मैंने पोस्ट भी किया था, मैंने अपने जो कोर्स का ग्रुप है मैंने उसमें शेयर किया था 6100 टू 6200 आएगा ये वाली जो कल के आई है बाहर, उसके बाद ये हमें अच्छी मूव दे सकती है। तो वही हो रहा है, एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि वापस रीटेस्ट अगर 6400 ब्रेक होता है 6400 टू 6450, तो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ एक मूव यहाँ अप आए और हाँ बस ये मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल मार्केट के अभी दे, लेकिन जो RSI है ना वो मज़ा नहीं दे वो उसमें लाइक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड नहीं हो रहा। RSI जो 50 के बिलो है फ़िलहाल। मैं यहाँ से हमें एक फेक आउट दे चुकी है मार्केट ऑलरेडी। हमें दोनों चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती हैं, एक चीज़ नहीं देखनी पड़ती। लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो हमें मार्केट में देखनी पड़ती हैं ट्रेड लेने से पहले या कुछ करने से पहले। कॉन्फिडेंस जो बुल्स के पास कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा वो यहाँ पे इस ब्रेक के बाद आएगा, उससे पहले ब्रेक नीचे भी हो सकता है। बट मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ न्यूज़ जो आ रही है उसमें फोमो क्रिएट होगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूज़ है, अप्रूव्ड होता है तो अप्रूव ना भी हो ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा, अप्रूव होगा तो और ये 8K भी ब्रेक हो जाएगा। तो मतलब बहुत बड़ी मूव आ सकती है, बट मैं स्मॉल मूव चाहता हूँ मार्केट में। अगर हेल्थी लॉन्ग टर्म जाना है तो स्मॉल मूव चाहिए। ये बड़ी बड़ी मूव जो हैं ये हेल्थी नहीं होती। इतना बताना था, काफ़ी क्लास हो गया, थक गया तो असर। तो हाँ अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज़ अभी पूछ लें ताकि मैं फिनिश करूँ इस लाइव को। थोड़ा थक गया हूँ बोल के। लाइव पर समझ किसी को नहीं आता। हाकिम एंड पे मैं 5-10 मिनट्स करता हूँ उर्दू में हिंदी में, तो आप वो देख लिया करो। हर वीडियो के लाइव के एंड पे आपको बेसिक समझ आ जाएगी कि एक मसला हो रहा है ना। अगर आप सीखोगे नहीं ना आप ऑनलाइन कामयाब नहीं हो सकोगे। आप सिर्फ दूसरों के सिग्नल पे डिपेंड करते रहोगे और वो आपको एंड ऑफ द डे आप पैसा सारा लॉस कर जाओगे। तो वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा। अगर आप करते हो, अगर नहीं सीखते तो बेसिक तो आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हर जगह हर न्यू जगह पे जाने, हर न्यू चीज़ सीखने के लिए सबसे पहले इंग्लिश में आती है। इंग्लिश में नहीं सीखोगे तो कुछ नहीं बनेगा आपका। ये जो ट्रूथ है मार्केट का, ठीक है, हर चीज़ इंग्लिश में है, तो हर चीज़ इंग्लिश में है यार। वाइट पेपर आप कैसे पढ़ोगे, वो तो मैं भी नहीं पढ़ता, लेकिन फॉर एग्जांपल प्रोजेक्ट इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, रिसर्च कैसे करोगे इंग्लिश नहीं आएगी तो आप बेसिकली आप क्या कह रहे हो, मैं उर्दू बोलूँ, उर्दू में आपको सिग्नल दूँ, सब मैंने नोट किया है। सब जो चाहते हैं उर्दू वाले, इसलिए मैं उर्दू में नहीं करता क्योंकि वो चाहते हैं अरसलान डायरेक्टली हमें बता दे बाय या सेल है और हम बाय या सेल कर लें। ऐसे नहीं काम चलता। मैं यहाँ एजुकेशन दे रहा हूँ, मैं बाय सेल सिग्नल नहीं दे रहा, इसलिए मैं एनालिसिस शो करता हूँ। मैं ये नहीं कहता कि बाय कर लो ये ऊपर जाएगा, टिपिकल यूट्यूबर तो एक्सपर्ट की तरह। एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ क्या देख रहा हूँ, मार्केट में एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। ये ऐसे जब तक ये हायर लो मेंटेन करेगी ना, जब तक मार्केट एक न्यू लो बनाएगी, लेकिन वो पिछले लो से ऊपर होगा। ठीक है, एक न्यू लो, जैसे ये लो बना था, ये वाला इससे ऊपर है, ये वाला लो इसके ऊपर है, सो इसे हम हाई लो कहते हैं। हाई लो जब तक बनेगा तो मार्केट ऊपर ही जाएगी चांस है। जब तक ये हाई लो, अगर हम ब्रेक करते हैं एक हाई लो, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मार्केट नीचे आती है, यहाँ से ऊपर जाके नीचे आती है, ये ब्रेक करती है, तो चांस है कि मार्केट वापस नीचे जाए। तो ये चीज़ें सारी सीखोगे तो कुछ कर सकोगे। एनीवेज गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग वीडियो, आई विल सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वन, बाय।